President Ramnath Kovind has given his assent to the bill for the unification of the three civic bodies in Delhi. The notification released by the centre also gave some clarity about how the new wards will be carved out. With the passage of the bill, all the three MCDs will now be a single integrated and well-equipped entity. The merger also means that the MCD polls will be delayed by 6 to 12 months, and the power of the newly merged corporation lies with the central government. A special officer will be appointed to oversee the functions till the completion of the unification process. With the President's assent, the bill has now become an act. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the WHO Global Centre for Traditional Medicine in Gujarat's Jamnagar district on Tuesday. WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jagannath, State Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, and Union Ayush Minister Sarbanand Sonowal were also present at the inauguration ceremony along with Prime Minister Modi. The purpose of the WHO Global Centre is to channel the potential of traditional medicine by integrating it with technological advancement and evidence-based research. Russian President Vladimir Putin has given the honorary title of Guards to the 64th Separate Guards Motor Rifle Brigade, the act which the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense have labelled as war crimes in the region of Bucha. Putin congratulated the unit for protecting Russia's sovereignty and stated that the unit acted with great heroism and courage. Ukraine had earlier accused the invading Russian army of carrying out war crimes after mass graves were discovered in the region of Bucha following the withdrawal of Russian troops from Kyiv. The Kremlin has denied all the allegations to do with the killings in Bucha and claims that these accusations are baseless, while saying that the pictures being shown are fake. The Delhi police have deployed drones to keep watch in Jama Masjid and Haus Qazi neighborhood after communal clashes during Hanuman Jayanti last weekend. Drone footage released by the police gives a bird's eye view of the people walking down a narrow lane. Drones were also deployed in two South Delhi neighborhoods, Jasola and Jamia Nagar, to scan the rooftops and streets. The need for enhanced surveillance in Delhi arose after 8 policemen and 1 civilian were injured in a communal clash that broke out in North Delhi's Jahangirpuri when a Hanuman Jayanti procession passed the area on Saturday. Afghan security and health officials reported on Tuesday that 3 blasts rocked a high school in western Kabul, killing 6 people and injuring almost a dozen. Among those who were killed, many belonged to the Shia Hazara community, an ethnic and religious minority frequently targeted by Sunni terrorist groups, including Islamic State. Khalid Zadran, the spokesman for Kabul's commander, broke the news of the blasts and the casualties suffered by the Shia community. According to the report, 6 people have been killed and at least a dozen have been wounded in the blasts till now. No one has claimed the responsibility for the attack immediately.